Good morning to one and all present here. Today we're going to see a topic on robotics. Last class we have discussed about the automations in Internet of Things, where we have seen the types of automations like programmable, fixed automations and flexible automations. The robotics is come from that automation process where we use the robot to do that automation process. A robot as a first introduced in 1921 by playwright. The robot was introduced to do the work the human assist. Uh, These are some of the robotics timeline where we improved the robotics process. As per the Robotics Industry Association, reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools, or specialized device through variable programmed motions for a variety of tasks. And then laws of Japan. As per the laws of Japan, the robot is purpose where machine equipped with a memory device it is capable of replacing the human labor for automatic performance and the task. And then robot chilling definitions robot, a software controlled mechanical device that uses sensors to guide one or more of its end effectors through various programmed motions in workspace. Where we have a different types of robot, based on the uh, applications or the demand we need, we can classify the robot. The anatomy, the control of movement, kinematics or the geometric structure, energy source, authority, body, and then industry or non-industry, technology level based on the design, applications, the job, by number of degrees of freedom, where the robot can be classified based on anatomy. One arm robot, the two arm robot, finger robot, arm and leg and face. This robot will have mainly used for the purpose of picking and placing of the tools or the workpiece from one place to the other. Based on the control of movement, we can use a limited sequence robot from point to point continuous robot. A limited sequence robot, the movement of robot is limited in linear directions, which has been used for mechanical stop and limits which to control the movement of manipulator. Difficult to fix the stop point. The stop point on the patch cannot be changed easily. Mechanical stop good questions. Advantages of limited sequence robot is 25% to 50%, where cost is cheap, which is used for the purpose of casting, pressing, or fixed movement. And the disadvantages of the limited sequence robot is the control and the movements are limited. Used a longer time for setting mission. Point-to-point robot. This is for the linear directions from we connected the machine in the shop floor where we use this point-to-point robot to move over all the machines to give the task like a workpiece or the tools which can be used for the point-to-point robot. A continuous control robot is any direction continuously, like in the workstations where complex workstations for the purpose of assembly, we can use this kind of continuous control robot. Example, they given as a paint spray, welding works, applications, etc. Based on the kinematics coordinate, we can classify the robot into many types like Cartesian coordinate, and then cylindrical movement, and then spherical movement, scalar, and then the revolute. These are some of the robots based upon the kinematics coordinate movement. Based on the energy sources, having types like the energy source that makes the actuator or robot joint to move. We have four categories: hydraulical robot, electrical robot, pneumatic robot, and the mechanical robot. Electrical robot used electrical energy to move the motor, the DC step motor, DC servo motor, AC servo motor, solenoid air blanker, and the segment. Advantages: very popular, low price, clean, silent, and easy to assemble. Hydraulic robot used hydraulic energy to move the actuator. Advantages were more powerful responses, and then it is easy to manipulate the high payload. Disadvantages: less clean and cleanliness. Pneumatic, both attractor and hydraulic use the end tool for the pneumatic cover to for the purpose of limited work. Robot is more cheaper and simple. Based on the authority body, we have different types of robotics. Based on the applications, we can separate the robot as a programmable code for the purpose. Thank you.